Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about interdependence in nature. What is interdependence in nature? Interdependence means dependent on each other. So interdependence in nature means the things which are dependent on each other in nature. First we will learn about living things that depend on non-living things like air, soil, water and sunlight. These four things are very important. Air is used to breathe in both plants and animals, all the living things. Soil is also directly or indirectly connected to all living things. Water also all living things require, and sunlight also all living things require. Sunlight I know a little more, so let me tell you. Suppose this is the eye and this is the lens. So the retina is a little bit here downside. So the sun rays fall from up. Okay. So these fall on retina, and the retina sends the information through optic nerves to the brain, and a small part is there in brain which controls the circulation of a chemical that if that chemical flows more, then you will feel sleepy. So if the light is very less, then that chemical is released and we get asleep. Means this is related to sleep cycle. Next is plants and animals depend on each other. Plants and animals depend on each other in many things, like for food, for air, for fertile soil, for shelter and for reproduction. First, for food. The animals depend on plants for food directly or indirectly. And these both depend on each other for air. Like plants take in carbon dioxide given out from animals and give out oxygen, and then the oxygen is taken by animals and give out carbon dioxide. Next, for shelter. The plants and trees provide shelter to the animals. Next, for reproduction. The animal helps in reproduction of plants by spreading their seeds, by which seed dispersal happens. For fertile soil, now how this happens? In this, suppose a big tank of soil is there. Suppose this is the ground. Suppose this is not a tank of soil. This is the earth's ground where soil is there and plants are growing. So the worms and all other animals, small animals which live in the soil, dig through the soil and make the soil loose, making it more fertile. Now it's the food cycle of the nature. In this, the producers which produce things are trees and plants. The primary consumer are herbivores and omnivores. The secondary consumers are carnivores and omnivores. The primary consumers are the consumers which directly take food from the producers, means plants and trees. The secondary consumers are consumers which eat primary consumers, and primary consumers has eaten the producers, so they are secondary consumers, means they take in food indirectly. These both then get to dead animals. These dead animals are eaten by decomposers, by which they produce energy, fulfill their energy needs, and also make the soil fertile by the things produced in the process. And then by making the soil fertile, this cycle, the producers again grow, and this cycle continues and continues. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.